Hey guys, what's going on? Today's video is going to be about the Tamiya North American P-51D Mustang 1/72nd scale, part of their Warbird collection. I am back to my old camera for a few videos because the battery in my new camera faded out. So I'm using my old one for now. Don't worry folks, if you've liked the videos with my new camera, believe me, that's still the main camera. This is my backup. Alright. There's the paint you'll need. I'm not saying anything, I'm just saying the viewers look at the instructions. These videos are to show you exactly what comes in the boxes. Okay. Let's get to the real prize. Here is your first tree. Okay. Your clear plastic parts. I honestly do not know what these are. Your final tree. Okay. And then the decals. And unlike the other videos, there's writing in the bottom. Okay. Let me set you guys down for a minute and get this put back together. And I must apologize. I don't think I did a tour of the side of the box. If I did, well, tough luck. No, I can tell I didn't. I apologize for that. And I must say, trying to find Tamiya paint in America is one of the hardest things you can ever do. But, that's besides the point. This here has been the Tamiya North American P-51D Mustang. 1/72nd scale, part of their Warbird collection. See you guys later.